Hello, welcome to Q&A with Mai and Mary. My name is Mai. I'm an attorney here in Tampa, Florida for the past 10 years. Our law office at VU Legal PA handles family law matters, personal injury matters, and a lot of wills and business litigation. With me today is Mary Nguyen, our operation manager, and also our certified paralegal.
Hi, Mai. How are you?
Hi, Mary. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm good. So today's video is going to be about wills, right? We want to familiarize clients with what a will is, especially during this uncertain time. So, did you want to start off with that? So, what is a will, Mai?
Sure. Um, a will is essentially a legal document listing who you want to have your assets if you happen to pass away.
Right. So, if you don't have a will, then it'll just go. All of your assets will go according to state laws and statutes, right, Mai? What's the disadvantage in that?
Well, yes, a lot of people tells me, well, what's the point of a will if the state has a law that automatically passes on to my children or spouse? The disadvantage is some might not like your kids. Sometimes you might feel like certain child is entitled to a bigger portion. State law will just automatically go down a waterfall formula, and it may not be what you want.
Okay, so how does a will get started, and what? Just so people know, like what gets drafted in their wishes? Who do they select as beneficiaries, and what is a beneficiary for those who don't know?
Sure. As a procedure in our office, we usually have something called a will question. On there, it will prompt you to list one, who would you want to represent you, a personal representative, in case you pass away. This person's job is to gather your assets and settle your legal debts, and then divvy out your asset as you listed in your will. And a personal representative is important that they have to be local. They have to be here in the state of Florida if they're not blood related to you. For example, if you have a friend, you can designate them. But if your friend live out of state, then you cannot.
So
Um,
if people don't choose one, then the court chooses for them, but they get paid through the estate of that person, right?
right. And then we generally will ask you to donate a couple of them just in case an alternative person representative, just in case the first person you ask don't feel up for the job or don't want to do it or is unable to for some reason. Uh, so that way we allot that in your will that we prep for you. And in your will, we do ask that you gather information of your assets and also the information on your beneficiary so that we can draft it precisely to your needs.
So, what's the importance of getting a will before you get sick?
Well, the reason for that in order for a will to be legally recognizable or enforceable, you have to be a clear-minded. You have to be a free will, not under duress, and you have to execute it in front of two witnesses along with a public notary. So if you are heavily medicated, your will may be challenged and not enforceable.
Wow, that's a lot of information, Mai. Thank you. So I would suggest if anyone has any more questions or would like to know more in depth of what a will consists and why it's important, why you need one, um, feel free to give us a call. Our phone number is 813-344-5828, or you can catch us on Facebook. We're also on, if you want to subscribe to our videos, we're on YouTube. It's Q&A with Mai and Mary, or you can even log onto our website, www.vulegal.com, and there's information on us there, things that we do, and our hours of operation and where our office locations are.
All right. Well, we'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.
All right, bye, Mai.